Hi friends, it's Sarah and this is Nacho. Hola from Rio. I'm so excited. Today we're in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It's sunny, colourful and full of music. This is Carnival, one of the biggest parties in the world. When something is amazing, we can say, it's beautiful, it's incredible, it's amazing. Wow, look at the colours, it's so bright.
Come and dance with us.
I'm not very good at dancing, but okay. When we talk about things we can do, we say, I can dance, or I can't dance very well. I can dance, well maybe just a little. Nacho can dance too.
Sarah and Nacho, off we go. From Paris, lots of Tokyo, we'll say, Sarah and Nacho.
Hola, would you like a mask?
Yes, please. They're so colourful. When we describe things, we can use adjectives like bright, fun, beautiful, colourful. Excuse me, how much is the blue one on the table?
The blue, pink, and gold ones on the table are 90 Rio.
Oh, that's expensive. How much is the green cat mask?
The cat masks are cheaper. They are 80 Rio.
This one.
That's perfect for you, Nacho. Nacho wants the gold cat mask. Can you give me a better price, please?
70 Rio? That's cheap. It's my best price.
Thank you. That's amazing. I'll take the gold mask, please. Look behind me. That's Christ the Redeemer statue. We're so high above Rio. The view is incredible.
Now it's high.
Don't worry, little cat. Everyone feels afraid up here the first time.
I'm scared.
Oh, I think Nacho feels scared, but he's still the bravest cat in Brazil. When we talk about emotions, we can say, I feel happy. I feel scared. I feel amazed. I feel relaxed. Right now, I feel amazed. The view is beautiful. What a beautiful day. We're at Copacabana Beach. Look, the sky is very pretty. I'm so happy. And I think Nacho is too. Today we learned how to describe beauty, colours and excitement, just like at Carnival. At the market we learned some useful phrases to use when we go shopping. How much is this? That's expensive. That's cheap. Can you give me a better price? We also learned some colours: blue, pink, green and gold. Learning English is fun when you live it, love it and dance it. See you next time in Tokyo. I hope you can join us.
Brazil is great.
At the beach bar Brazil, we sway until we feel alive. Caipirinha thrills, rhythm in our hearts arise. Under palm tree shades, the music never lies. At the beach bar Brazil, where every soul can fly. Tambourine beat draws us close tonight. Candles flicker in the fading light. Laughter rises with its sweet refrain. Let the samba wash away every pain. Senta e vem dançar comigo. Wake up, the world is calling, come on, let's fly. Pack your dreams and grab your mug, you know why. Sarah's teaching words, Nacho's by her side. Every lesson. lessons and adventure on this. Nacho, off we go. From Paris, lights to Tokyo, we'll say ho. Sarah and Nacho, feel the tune. Then across the world, we'll see you soon. Up on the train to London, catch that ride. Big Ben chimes and Nacho's eyes open wide. Then off to Rio, colours fill the air, dancing words out, laughter follow everywhere. Sarah and Nacho, off we go, teaching English new and far, we take it slow.